Hi everyone, welcome back. In our previous video, we saw about what is identity management and we installed four record packages. These are the four Picker packages. We installed those Picker packages inside our application. Also, we configured authentication and authorization middleware. Then we are trying to create application user model. So we can continue with application user model. Let's open the Visual Studio. We created the application user. Let's inherit identity user. Okay. What is inside the identity user? Go to definition. So identity user have ID, username, email, email confirm, password has security timestamp, concurrency stamp, phone number and phone number confirm, two-factor enabled, also logout enabled, and access file count. These are the things we have inside this identity user. So as we are inheriting, so this application user also having those properties. If we have some more properties other than the properties exist in the identity user, then we can provide those properties in this class. But uh, for our simple example, that is not needed. In our upcoming session, we can see that. Okay. Now we register our creator application user model. Okay. So we completed this step. Now we need to create application identity DB context. How to do that? Go to Visual Studio. Right click on the project, add new folder, DB context. Right click on the folder, add new class. You can provide us application DB context. Let's wait. Hidden DB context. Our model name. What is our model name? Application names. This of user not the model. Application user cannot be used as a parameter to user. There is no implicit reference convention from language to comment. Oh, okay. Like that the point. No, this one. So potential fix. Using the output. Actually, we installed some unwanted naked package. It causes some error. So to avoid the conflicts, we can remove that naked package. Insert some compact. Yeah, this is unwanted naked package. We install this. So it provides some error conflicts. So as of now, we can uninstall it. Okay, now, so now we create a application TV context. We can create constructor for the application TV context, but we can provide like this. Yes. Now we successfully created application DB context. Now what is the next step? Next step is creating connection string for our identity management database. We already saw about the connection string. Let's go back to our previous project, that is a .NET MVC name. Go back and we have app JSON. Here also we have app, app JSON. So I'm going to copy the connection string from our previous project. Connection string. Then open the app JSON from our new project. I can provide like this. But here I decided to create new database instead of using that existing database. So I'm going to provide as my user management. I'm going to provide the database name as my user management. Okay, that's it. We created some consisting in our app JSON. Okay, now we need to register the DB context. How to register the DB context? To register everything, we have one class called program.cs. Know that. Yeah. Builder. You can builder dot services dot add DB context. Our DB context name is 17 DB context. I think this is DB context. Copy this one. Go back to program.cs. Provide this name. It is inside this DB context folder. So we need to provide this using statement. Okay. Now config sample config dot use SQL server. We already know that if we are using DB context, then we need to tell us use SQL server for that DB context. We use SQL server. Inside that SQL server, we need to provide the connection string. We already know that how to use the connection string. We already have some utility project. See, here we go. So utility project. So I am going to refer this project instead of our new project. So I click add project reference, then utilities. Okay, now I'm going to call this connection string utility dot connection string. Copy this one utility dot get connection string. That's it. Yeah, it is using utilities. That's it. Let's build the solution. Yeah, with success. In this video, we saw about this creating this application user model and application identity in context. Also, we provided some connection string, then we registered DB context. Okay. In our next video, we can see about how to migrate this DB context to our database. We provided the database name as my user manual. So we need to migrate this the application TV contacts and application users to our database. We can see it in our next session. Thanks for watching.